Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy with Mailchimp, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Campaign button located in the upper right corner. Choose the type of campaign you want to create. For this demonstration, select Email from the options provided. Name your campaign to keep it organized and click Begin. On the next screen, you'll need to choose your recipients. Select the audience segment you want to target for this campaign. Once you've selected your audience, click Next. Now it's time to set up your email details. Enter a compelling subject line to capture your audience's attention. Personalize the from name and email address to build trust. Click Next to move to the design stage. Choose a template that suits your email campaign. You can either select a pre-designed template or start from scratch. Once you've selected a template, click Edit Design. Customize your email by adding text, images, and other content blocks. Ensure your design is visually appealing and aligns with your brand guidelines. After designing your email, click Save and Close. Now, review your email settings to ensure everything is correct. Click on Next to access the confirmation page. Take a moment to preview your email by clicking on the Preview button. Test your email by sending a test email to yourself or a colleague. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview and test results. Once you're satisfied with your email, click Next. Review your campaign settings once more for accuracy. When ready, select the Send option or schedule it for later. If you choose to schedule later, select the desired date and time. Finally, confirm your sending choice and finalize your campaign deployment. Congratulations, you've successfully deployed your Mailchimp campaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.